God created the world and all of the people. God wants us to care for and love everyone. Name someone or something in the world that needs our compassion.
Kindness is when we are nice to people in the ways that we speak to them and the ways that we treat them. It can be hard to be kind. As a family, take turns naming somebody that you need to be kind to. Help each other think of ways that you can be kind to this person.
Endurance is when you don't give up. Jesus didn't give up when he was spreading the good news. He knew that people needed to hear about God's love, so he kept on sharing it even when people didn't wait to listen to him.
In the time of Jesus, people walked on dirt roads and their feet were covered in dust. One day, Jesus washed the feet of his disciples. The disciples were surprised that someone as important as Jesus would do something so dirty and messy. Jesus showed us through washing the disciples' feet what it means to be humble. Being humble is when you don't think of yourself as more important than others. Patience is so hard. When we have to wait our turn or when we are frustrated with someone else, we can feel very impatient. Jesus was a very patient person. He was patient when others didn't understand him or when people were mean to him. Can you imagine how hard it must have been for Jesus to be patient with those who were mean to him? Who do you need to be more patient with?
When we are sorry for something that we have done, it is important to ask for forgiveness of the person that we have wronged and of God. What do you need to ask forgiveness for right now? Who do you need to forgive? Share that with your family. Love is when you care deeply for someone. God sent Jesus as the biggest example of love. Jesus always showed love, and God wants us to show love like that. Name people that need love or that you could love better. Jesus came to fill our hearts with God's love and to show us how to live in the world. We should be learning more about Jesus so we can know how to live and love more like Jesus.